Islands. I'm actually obviously in the bathroom doing my makeup, so I figured I would just kind of pop in. Yesterday was kind of a slower day, I would say, just because the weather was just not super, it wasn't bad, but it was just super like cloudy and stuff, so we really didn't do a lot. We mostly just went to go get food and stuff, and then the people we were around did not want to be on camera, so yeah. So of course today's a new day. We're about to actually go down to I think we're going downtown. I don't even know where we're going, y'all. I'm just getting ready and preparing for the day, so I'm trying to set this makeup. I'm not super happy with the way that my wig is just kind of sitting. I think it's because it's a T part from my first wig, of course. Like, I feel like that is why, because for whatever reason the way that the tracks kind of lay, I don't know what it is, but it kind of creates this like oval shape around my head, so I don't really like that. But anyway, we're here. I'm just trying to figure out if I want to end up, I don't want to straighten my hair. That's the thing. It's like once my hair is like doing good, healthy, I end up just messing it up. So I think I'm just sticking out with this wig for now, or I'll probably do my hair back how it was. Y'all look so scary. What the hell? Anyway, let me get this off. So yeah, quick little update, because I know that everybody's like, girl, we want to see. So yeah, I'm officially 7 weeks. Am I 7 weeks? No. Yeah, 7 weeks post-op now. Or is it 6? 6 weeks. I was able to sit last week. So yeah, I'm 7 weeks now. Officially 7 weeks post-op. This is what we're looking like, y'all. Everything is flat. I don't feel super swollen. Typically, of course, I'm not supposed to be out of my faja, but hello. Listen, I've been wearing it at night and stuff, and I'm so happy because my belly button piercing did not close, so there's that. Okay, y'all, this is what the hair is doing. It's actually looking better today than, in my opinion, it did yesterday. It could just be because I'm on all black and that's a vibe. So yeah, this is pretty much where we at with it. And I don't really want to pick apart the curls too much. Like, yeah, I definitely don't want to pick apart the curls too much, just because I want to give them a little room to kind of do what they need to do. Sorry, y'all. Looking good.
Yum, 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 yum.
So clearly, y'all, today is much warmer than it's been. The wind is still blowing, but obviously I'm outside in a damn bra and and some tights, so that should just let y'all know right then and there. But I'm about to try to take some cute pictures. I'm trying to find like the right lighting, but honestly, this might be it. Outside of like under the little cabana thing, because otherwise the sun is just like too directly in my face, so I'm gonna figure it out.
Yes, I'm so glad y'all happy. Oh, what time y'all get up?
I think it was like 10 o'clock here, so that means it was probably almost 1 o'clock there. Are we gonna remember how we got here? Chipotle, that's what we buy. We could go that way, we could go this way.
Yeah, I mean,
and there's a little Fat Burger. So Fat Burger is a small restaurant. It said stop. Okay, well, we wasn't supposed to go. We finding it?
yeah, it's like,
Huh? Fairfax High School. They had the gates on the high school. I mean, well, that store looked pretty ass, but I feel like, because the store she was talking about is on the left side anyway.
Me, I can't trust you. That 40 homie down right, nigga. Alright, y'all, so we getting ready to go to dinner.
coming out. I'm actually just wearing this like little black dress. Don't even remember where I got it from, but it zips all the way up. Y'all, I was about to choke, honestly. I don't know if I should put it like giving Kim Possible or show a little bit of, cause whew, I was about to choke. Either way, yeah, this is what we're looking like. Looking good, if you ask me. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so a little cute little black dress, and then sorry y'all for the mess. Let me get some little shoes. I think I'm gonna wear these. Yeah. Totally. Okay. Yeah.
We went to the strip club.
This is the man that y'all are wanting, ladies.
Look, I take you out to 5-star dinners. I take you out, I treat you out. Look what I got. Look what I have. Out here among the stars and shit.
Okay, darling.
Have you eating five-star course dinners and shit.
That's funny. This is what we're eating today, darling. Okay.
This is what the confession would be if it was a turned up trip. I got you.
Okay. I got makeup on.
I'm tired of all these motherfuckers in this house. They don't know how to just turn up. They leave bottles everywhere. They all on the couch. We getting fine when we leave. This trip has been awful. I'm just playing out.
You know what? Child, he think he at the bad boy's house. I don't know what's going on. So on the way to Adut's house so that I can do her hair, okay? And it's pretty early. It's not that early, but it's pretty early. We look like yesterday. Or whatever. So Adut just put us on to the Starbucks.
Yes,
See, the amount of people I've put on this drink,
Hello.
Starbucks,
You need that
they owe me.
At this point. We on it.
So you see her there, cool one. I went there when we was in school.
What?
No, they had it in Atlanta.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's
What is it?
It's like a math and tutoring.
Oh, yeah, it is. He talking about math tutoring. I'm weak. Jared, you? Oh, Jared. I forgot. I totally forgot. I always forget. Where should we put it?
Want to get another chair?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just bring it back. Look at that. Innovative. This is good.
Put your purse.
Let's put it back.
That's a point for you.
Right. 1 point.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm making my special appearance. Yeah, I was saying, so I want to get a nice wig. I don't wear wigs.
Okay. What kind are you doing? Something short.
Look, I think I want a little wig collection.
Your first wig?
I'm so excited. Okay.
We gotta be cool with him though.
You gonna be up?
I'm waiting for that oil.
Yes, darling.
Yeah, we like most of the time. You gotta do it too. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, because I still wanted to braid her hair, so we're just trying to figure out.
Oh, it's on right now.
Yeah, something quick for right
Yeah.
Need everywhere.
Okay, perfect.
Because maintaining a ponytail for a week is difficult.
That would be nice.
There you go.
So hard. Everybody's used to the silky smooth, like Trey and Gerald have. That silky smooth over there. Y'all are, he knows that now. Before I was like, so what did the girls used to do? Yeah, I don't know ponytail when you get ready to. But you take like a little ponytail.
One of those.
Right.
What you're gonna do is take your hair back.
Take your headband.
Right.
And like, okay, so are you seeing this?
I'm seeing
Do the hair this way, right? And then you're gonna loop the headband
right.
this way.
Got it. Oh,
Like a
okay.
whole little ponytail, so you
And then
don't
you
have to use bobby pins.
I love that.
Boom, boom,
I love that for me.
Yeah.
No bobby pins, and then you literally just
Just attach it. Wow.
boom. Beauty is not pain.
Beauty does not have to be.
Doesn't have to be pink. Alright, so I'm just gonna braid her down. Like
In LA?
yes. I mean, I'm like, first of all, my picture is hideous. Give me my ID back. Like, why are you staring at it so long?
No girl like that ID picture.
No, some girls will go and get made up for the picture.
I know.
Coming for you. Coming for you. Or we can kind of make it a little tighter and do something.
My Twitter is Adut Akech 1. Somebody took my name. I just went
What?
on Twitter, you guys.
Somebody stole your name before you ever even made a Twitter. That's how you know you're famous. There you go, right there. Like, Jesus, nobody's trying to do ForeverCryssy too. Okay, y'all, so I only had 15 minutes to get dressed, but we are here, okay? Let me turn this down. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. A cute little, pretty little thing top, pretty little thing jeans, bag, and semi shoes. Let me give you a little. Okay, and Trey's outfit of the day is giving Urban Outfitters COS shirts.
I got my stuff from.
Okay, why? It's not a secret.
I don't need to know.
Oh, it's a secret.
This drip you can't find. You can't find it nowhere.
Oh my
This is
God.
Made just for Trey. The pants made just for Trey.
I cannot. So anyway, let me show y'all this magical work of art. Look at this. Let's talk about it. Okay? We talking about it. Yeah. I need this. This is so cute. We got the back of the shirt. Versace. Alright, well I guess we're gonna see y'all when we actually get to the party or whatever. We're actually hella late, if I'm being honest.
So we're not going to 40 Love?
No, that's not the plan. Right.
What's up,
surprise, right.
Y'all ain't move out every month.
Every month here.
Charles, what happened to your head?
When'd you cut?
No, but don't his head look like enlarged on the sides?
No, it does
Like
not.
he got a little nose?
He has a fucking face.
Yo, I haven't seen Charles.
I haven't seen Charles in so
this
long.
your first haircut since the pandemic, is it?
Yeah, it's my first haircut since the pandemic.
Wow.
But you know, a haircut do that to you though.
No, but Charles don't never go that long without getting a haircut.
Face hair too. All right, Charles, take a shot. This might be that. We're chilling. We're probably gonna go to EPLP later, but it's not. I don't think it's gonna be everybody, but probably me, Charles, Jared, maybe Mia. I haven't been out in so long, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it tonight. But tomorrow I gotta.
Yeah, everyone's playing in the room. First one out. That's scary.
My pinky toe.
Is that a Harlem Nights reference?
Care about ForeverCryssy. Ooh, come through.
This way. All right. Now look back just a little.
Ooh.
Turn to him a little.
So guys, thanks for the surprise. I had no idea that nobody's gonna be out here. So I appreciate you guys bringing another year with me. And more life.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Can I get a clink? Like, what's going? Thank you. Gang shit. Big Mike. Wait, what?
Ain't nothing nice. Ain't come up there, ain't no stopping. Packy like my dog who's like, I wish I had a wicked fuck up on this crowd, my crew. Not enough is enough.
Don't get it twisted.
She gonna say I'm sorry.
What can you say? Don't ever get it twisted.
Well, we finally made it. This is what Black House looks like.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, we got this one in Atlanta.
Yeah, we haven't been to the one in
They
Atlanta
to go to the
yet.
one in Atlanta, and we ended up coming to LA, so we like, we gonna try this.
Yeah, the one in Atlanta just opened.
Yeah. That's what they told us.
Pretty down bad. Everybody, y'all, this is Kari, the eligible bachelor.
How you feeling?
Okay.
Not no more though, not no more. I got to
Oh, you, oh, I need some hand sanitizer. What'd you get?
I got a French toast. They got that catfish and fruit.
The catfish. Just too much going on.
I mean, it's far. I'm far from everything. I live in Pasadena.
Well, yeah, so it will be a hike for you.
Yeah.
So what's like the closest, I guess it wouldn't even really be a mall, like shopping area for you?
So there's a mall by me, but it's like not a huge like fancy mall or whatever it is. Everything is out west, so like I'd have to drive out here to like get to something I really want.
Look at these candy apples. First of all, Jakari took us to the most amazing little area.
Right.
Okay, I got me an empanada. His is probably already gone. His is probably gone. He got banana and Nutella. Or no, Dolce de
leche.
Dolce de leche.
They got
I think Mike.
Yeah. Let's see if I can see it. It's too far away. Huh? Oh dang, I didn't even realize that. Good morning, y'all. So we are officially out of here, okay? We're actually like finishing up packing and all that stuff. Y'all see what I got going on. I ended up putting like all my stuff in this, like my heavier stuff, like jogging suits, jeans and stuff like that I didn't even really end up wearing in here, because the last time my bag was like 75 pounds, I think. So anyway, just trying to do that, okay, to avoid a fee. And yeah, that's that. Meanwhile, Trey over here, look at his whole suitcase. He all packed up, so he's all good. That's pretty much that on that. Our flight doesn't leave until 5 o'clock, I believe. So it's only 10 now. We have to be out of the Airbnb by 11. So we're actually going to end up just going over to his friend's JoJo house, which I think, yeah, I think we're just going to go over there for a while, because I don't know what else there will be to do outside of like going to get some food real quick, and just kind of chilling, and more than likely being at the airport by 2, 3. And so yeah, that's that on that. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, because I definitely did. I'm only trying to end it. Y'all look so pasty. I'm only trying to end it now because I don't know if I'm actually gonna come back on later. Y'all, why am I looking so pasty? Am I this pasty in real life? Okay, no, I ain't that pasty. Okay. Anyway, I'm only ending it now because I don't know if I'm gonna have time to like come back. Not even time, if I'm gonna remember. Let me put something on my lips. Like, why y'all letting me go out like this? Like that. This ain't it. But yeah, that's it. That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next, you already know, video. Bye, y'all.